Hi viewers, I am Raji Ramakrishnan. Welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to show you a tip how to clean this tea strainer. See how clean this is and see how this is very dark with the tea stains. Now what I did today is I have taken 4 lime pieces. After squeezing out the lime, I had kept this. That I have taken, and a few silver foil, and a teaspoon of soap powder, a teaspoon of soda, baking soda I have taken, and I just dipped the strainer in it and boiled it for half an hour and removed it, and immediately I started cleaning it, and you can see the result. It has totally come out of this. It was so dirty. So I just tried this method and I was successful. So I thought of sharing it with you. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and watch my other videos also. See, this is the water. From this I have taken out. Immediately you have to brush it with the scrubber. You can see it is very clean now. So this method you can try to clean the strainer. See, after washing, it looks clean. See, so this method you can use it